It's the motorcycle, Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Is he coming back? Is he coming back? Oh, I think he's coming back! Jesus! Oh my God! What the frick? What the frick? Whoa! Jesus! I gotta get over there real quick. He should be coming back soon. I see him, I see him. I see him. Alright, I see him. Down the street. Jesus! Hey! You're on the bike! Motorbike thing, motorcycle. Jesus Christ! Jesus! I need to chase him. I need to chase him across the street. Jesus! Dylan, come back! Come back! Come back! Wait! Come back! Come back! Come back! Please! Come back to me! Come back to me! Please! He left! No! Not again! He left again! You've got to be kidding me! Alright, he should be coming down here in like maybe a couple minutes. I don't know, but should come back down here with the motorbike. Oh, I see him. I see him down there. He's coming back. He's coming back. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Oh, oh, Jesus. Oh my God. All right, sir, how was your experience?
Riding actually, this pretty good.
Riding this like motorcycle thing.
Me.
A dog tried chasing you?
Yes. At least I didn't kill it. I was about to. I was about to.
No, don't kill it. That is no. You'll go to jail.
Yeah.
Yeah, but your experience was good, right?
Yeah, it was pretty good. I went pretty fast on that last part.
Pretty fast, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Were you over the speed limit?
I don't even know. I know it went faster than I've ever done before.
Wow, it must be really intense.
Mhm.
Was it getting kind of tense?
Yeah, kind of intense.
Yeah.
All right, let's go again.
All right, people. We're in this truck and car. But we're about to chase Dylan. All right, there he is, people. We're chasing him down the street over here. As you can tell, he's going pretty fast. As you can tell right here, he's at a stop sign. He has stopped, and now he's going again. We need to see where he's heading. We need to see his adventure down the road. So yeah, we're going down the road. You see all these houses. Pretty cool, honestly. Yeah, there's all this stuff, as you could tell, but yeah, there's all that. There we got Dylan. Oh, that's a dog. That's the dog from that Dylan's probably talking about. Oh no. This ain't good. This ain't good. The Jesus Christ. Freaking dog. Jesus Christ. Alright, Dylan, as you can tell, he's back on the road. He's got attacked by a dog. That wasn't good. He's now going down the road. It's pretty intense, honestly, as you can clearly tell right here. pretty awesome. Going down the road, looking at Dylan going down the road in his motorbike, the motorcycle. You know. Now we are we're heading back home. Now we're pulling in. Dylan is right there. Dylan, how was your experience? Dylan, how was your experience? As you can tell, this is the motorbike. It's still going. There's Dylan right here. Was it awesome?
Oh, I know it was awesome. It was the best ride of my life. I went full speed on that one.
Nice. Should I end the video now?
I don't know.
Should I?
I don't know. We'll see about that when I go.